Right now it's just an empty lot, but give our crew a little time, and even the pigeons will be asking about penthouse prices. We're digging so deep, we almost found yesterday. Don't worry, we're building a luxury apartment, not a secret underground city. That's a lot of concrete. At this point, we're ordering more cement than coffee. And trust me, construction crews drink a lot of coffee. The tower cranes are finally up. They're basically the giraffes of the construction world. Tall, hardworking, and impossible to ignore.
10 floors already. The elevator isn't even installed yet. So leg day is officially mandatory for everyone on this site. I heard that.
20 floors already. The view is incredible. But if you forget your lunch downstairs, that's officially tomorrow's problem.
We finally reached the top. The view is so high, even the seagulls are asking us for directions. Just don't drop your phone from up here. It'll arrive next week. The elevators are finally going in. Good news, future residents won't have to climb 50 floors. Bad news, now there's no excuse to skip leg day at the gym. Now that's a luxury apartment. The kitchen looks so nice, you'll want to order takeout just to keep it clean. And that bathroom mirror, it somehow makes everyone look like a movie star.
This rooftop pool has a better view than most vacation resorts. The only thing missing is someone pretending they're just checking the water while secretly taking selfies.
Laughs.
The building is so clean now, you could eat off the lobby floor. But please don't, there's a luxury kitchen upstairs for that. The doors are officially open. Welcome home. Where the views are priceless, the neighbors seem friendly, and yes.
Now that's luxury. The apartments look so amazing at night. Even Google Maps is slowing down just to admire the view. This place is so luxurious, even the elevator has a better social life than I do. And with a view like this, the rooftop might start charging admission. Mission accomplished. We turned an empty lot into a luxury high-rise that even the seagulls are trying to book. Thanks for